Hi there YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Auntie A's Kitchen, simple and delicious food cooked and prepared in South Korea with South Korean ingredients. It's going to be Children's Day and Parents' Day soon. Yesterday it was one of my friend's birthdays, so I thought, oh, let's make a cake and show you a quick cake that you can make for your family. So, one of the easiest things to do is a banana bread, and I thought I really like doing a carrot cake, so let's put the two together. So we are going to be doing a carrot cake banana bread combination, and it is absolutely delicious and really easy to make. So, could I ask you please, if you haven't already subscribed, would you hit that subscribe button and show your support? It really helps and I appreciate that. Let's look at the ingredients and get cooking. So the ingredients for our carrot cake banana bread combo: some flour, some butter, 2 eggs, 3 ripe bananas, and I'll put all of the measurements in the information below, a little bit of milk, some walnuts and pecans. So there's your walnuts and pecans. I got both of these from Home Plus. In fact, I might have got the walnuts from Costco. Some carrot, because it is a carrot cake, some sugar. I've not got that much sugar because the carrots are very sweet. Some salt, cinnamon powder and baking powder with some nutmeg and vanilla powder. If you have vanilla essence, then that is great. I've already measured these out, and I have a baking tin to put my cake. For our frosting, we're going to be using some powdered sugar, some cream cheese, Philadelphia, some vanilla extract, and some butter. You need your carrots to be finely grated, so I use a cheese grater, but if you have a machine, then use that. Banana bread works really well with very ripe bananas, so the cake is a great way to use up old bananas. If any of your bananas are too brown, then just cut that bit off. Then with a fork, mush up your bananas. So into the pan goes my flour and my other dry ingredients. So I have my baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla essence and salt. Turn it on, not too fast. Next, add your sugar to your bananas and mix that up. Add your butter into your flour. My butter's not quite room temperature, so I'm using a fork just to mix it in with the flour roughly. Here I'm going to add my carrots. Next, beat or whisk up your eggs well, and then add this to your banana and sugar and mix them together. Wonderful. And I will put this into our mixer. There are many ways that you could do this, but I'm just using my hands and breaking up the pecans into our mixture. I won't use all of the pecans, I will save some to decorate the top. I repeat the procedure with my walnuts, making sure to leave a few to sprinkle on top of my cake at the end. If you don't have a mixer to do all the hard work, then a spoon and a bowl will be just fine. So my mixture is done. The next thing to do is just taste the mixture quickly and check that all the flavours are where you want them. You will notice I have taped my baking paper to my tin, and this stops the paper getting in the way when pouring the mixture. This then goes into the oven for 1 hour. While my carrot cake banana bread is in the oven, I get on with making the frosting. It is important to mix your cream cheese until it is very soft. Next I'm going to add my butter. While my butter and cream cheese are mixing, I add my powdered sugar and vanilla together and put these into the mixer to combine with the other ingredients. Taste, just a little taste. Oh wow, that is incredible. Use a chopstick into your bread cake, and if it comes out clean, it is ready. Once you have got your carrot cake banana bread out of the oven, leave it in the tin for a couple of minutes to cool down. Then remove it from your tin onto a cooling tray for at least 30 to 40 minutes before you consider putting the frosting on top. While the cake was cooling down, I kept the frosting in the refrigerator. Just before I was ready to use it, I pulled it out of the refrigerator and mixed it up quickly again with a spoon. You see me apply the frosting with a spoon, and then I use a knife and a spatula to shape it on top of my carrot cake banana bread. Use whatever you have and are comfortable with using. You could pipe your frosting onto the cake, but I think it is just as easy this way. Once you are happy with the shape, you can decorate your frosting with the walnuts and the pecans. My favourite part of this cooking is the decorating of the cake at the end, and on this cake I choose to do a middle row of pecans with the walnuts around the edge, but feel free to decorate how you would like. Once you have finished decorating your cake, put it into the refrigerator, allowing the frosting to chill and set. Once your cake has chilled for about 30 minutes, you can then cut it up into slices and serve with friends and family and enjoy. Thanks for watching today, YouTube, and seeing how we make a banana carrot cake combo with a carrot cake frosting on top with pecans and walnut. My friend's just about to come and collect it. It was a birthday cake made for her. So thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed seeing how you can knock up a very quick cake, ideal for Children's Day or a family member's birthday. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in another episode. God bless.